Welcome back everyone to Book Bite, where big ideas meet bite-sized learning. Tonight's video dives into one of the most searched, most debated, and most powerful books on strategy, The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This isn't just a guide for politicians or CEOs. It's for anyone who wants to understand how power really works. In the next 2 hours, I'll walk you through every law explained clearly, no fluff. Whether you're watching before sleep or want to grow smarter, this one's for you. Lean back, take a deep breath, and let me tell you a story that has shaped kings, generals, CEOs, and maybe even you. Law 1. Never outshine the master. It seems simple, yet it hides a dangerous truth. History is filled with those who rose too fast, only to be crushed by the very person they serve. Louis XIV of France feared anyone brighter than him. He ruled with absolute control and punished those who challenged his light. In modern life, this law still holds. Don't make your boss feel small. Don't steal the spotlight from your leader. Compliment. Serve. Stay humble. Because when you outshine the master, you invite downfall, not praise. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Loyalty can blind us and leave us open to betrayal. History shows us friends often do more damage than enemies because they know our weaknesses. Today, this law warns us. Just because someone smiles at you doesn't mean they won't stab you tomorrow. Be kind, be warm, be generous, but always keep one foot back, just in case. Power moves quietly, often from within. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Why? Because mystery builds power. Once people see what you want, they take control. Once they know your plan, they disrupt it. Think of Sun Tzu, who said, "All warfare is based on deception." Or think of modern leaders who reveal nothing until the moment is right. So don't share everything. Let others guess. The less they know, the more they fear. Laws 4 through 10 teach us strategy and survival. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Let silence work for you. Law 5. Reputation matters more than talent. Protect it fiercely. Law 6. Caught attention visibility equals influence. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you while you take the credit. Law 8. Make others come to you. Use time to your advantage. Law 9. Win through actions, not arguments. Law 10. Avoid the unhappy and the weak that drain your energy. These laws are not about being cruel, they're about staying smart. In today's world, they show up in meetings, social media, even relationships. People who understand these rules don't just survive, they thrive. As we move deeper into Law 11 to 20, we find more subtle forms of power. Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Give just enough but never everything. Like apple, which reveals just enough to build hunger, but never all the cards. Law 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your enemies. Sometimes, kindness breaks walls better than force. Law 13. When asking for help, appeal to self-interest, not emotion. People act for themselves, not for love. Law 14. Pose as a friend, then strike like an enemy. This happens every day, in offices, in politics, even in friendships. Law 15. Crush your enemies totally. Half measures awaken vengeance. Napoleon knew this. Once you win, finish the battle. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Ever notice how celebrities become more valuable when they disappear? Law 17. Keep others off balance. Never let them feel comfortable. Like a chess match, always stay 2 steps ahead. Law 18. Don't build unnecessary enemies. Avoid conflict unless it serves you. Law 19. Do not injure a powerful person's pride unless you're ready to fall. CEOs hate being shown weakness. Politicians crave admiration. Even lovers demand ego space. Law 20. Do not commit to anything forever. Always leave an exit. Life changes. Circumstances shift. People evolve. So don't lock yourself in. Stay fluid. Stay free. Now we reach the middle chapters where power becomes psychological. Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker act. Naive to expose deception. Like a con artist pretending to be lost so he can trap the real fool. Law 22. Use the surrender tactic. Turn weakness into strength. Gandhi used this by showing humility. He gained moral power. Law 23. Concentrate your forces. Focus is power. Great leaders don't spread thin. They gather their energy and strike hard. Law 24. Play the perfect courtier. Charm the powerful. Not by flattery, but by understanding what they need. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Change your image when needed. Madonna, Elon Musk, Kim Kardashian, they all reinvented themselves and stayed powerful. Law 26. Keep your hands clean. Let others take the blame. Smart leaders let others fight the battles while they stand above the noise. Law 27. Play on people's need to believe in luck. Feed the illusion. We all want to believe. Success is random. It makes failure easier to accept. Law 28. Enter action with boldness. Fear kills more than failure. Boldness wins wars. Confidence wins debates. Courage wins hearts. Law 29. Plan all the way to the end. Nothing should be random. Every great movement had a long-term vision, from revolution to startups. Law 30. Make acts serve a larger strategy, not ego. Nothing should be random. Everything must point to a goal. As we move further, we uncover laws that shape not just rulers, but everyday life. Law 31. Control how people see you. Create illusions that serve you. Like influencers crafting perfect lives not for truth, but for impact. Law 32. Play to people's fantasies, not logic. Humans are emotional creatures. We follow stories, not spreadsheets. Law 33. Discover hidden weaknesses and exploit them. Sunday, Tzu taught, know your enemy, but also know their flaws. Law 34. Elevate yourself by lowering another classic political play. Watch any debate and you will see this law in motion. Law 35. Ridicule is a weapon. Use it wisely. Laughter disarms, mockery destroys. Choose carefully. Law 36. Disarm and infuriate use the opponent's own weapons. Like a boxer, using an opponent's punch against them, power turns on itself. Law 37. Create or appear different from the crowd. Steve Jobs didn't speak often, but when he did, the world listened. Law 38. Think as you speak. Stay calm under pressure. Emotion clouds judgment. Silence sharpens it. Law 39. Stir up waters, then fish in the chaos. Like a CEO letting a team argue, then stepping in with order. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. Nothing is truly free. If something feels too easy, it may cost more than money. We now enter the final stretch where mastery is tested. Law 41. Avoid stepping into the light. Let others fight for attention. Like Warren Buffett, silent, unseen, yet powerful. Law 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep scatter. Remove the leader and the group falls apart. Law 43. Work on the hearts and minds, not just the battlefield. Winning war is easy. Winning peace is harder. Law 44. Disarm and infuriate use the opponent's own weapons. Like turning a lawsuit into a PR victory or a scandal into sympathy. Law 45. Preach the need for change, then step back and lead it. Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, they didn't just speak, they led the movement. Law 46. Never appear too perfect, it makes you a target. People hate perfection, they love redemption. Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aim for, know when to stop. Success without balance leads to overreach and collapse. Law 48. Assume formlessness, flow like water, adapt like wind. Water shapes itself to whatever comes next and wins by changing. Green didn't invent these laws. He studied history and found patterns. From Sun Tzu to Napoleon, from Cleopatra to Steve Jobs, all used these rules. He shows us that power isn't good or evil, it just is. It's not about manipulation, it's about awareness. If you understand how power works, you can survive, even thrive. So ask yourself tonight, which laws have you already been using? And which ones will you start applying now? You may not be a king, or a general, or a CEO, but power still shapes your world. At work, in relationships, in conversations. These laws aren't just for rulers, they're for survivors. So reflect tonight. Who holds power over you? And who do you hold power over? Because once you understand the game, you stop playing by their rules. Power isn't force. It's influence. It's perception. It's timing. Green teaches us that power lives in small moments, not grand gestures. A smile, a pause, a well-placed word. That's where true power hides. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And remember, power isn't taken. It's played. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which law change how you see life. And if you want more videos like this, hit that bell so new summaries drop every week. Book Bite, where big ideas meet bite-sized learning.